ever since. Okay, so I want to show it to you guys. Check it out. The link is in the description, and I'll be back momentarily. Check it out.
Hey, congratulations! You just proved that our system works and that what we are going to teach you right now will work for you too. Think about it. The fact that you just signed up for a free account means that what we did worked on you, because it works on everybody. Seriously, there are hundreds of people joining every hour. And in this video, we are going to show you how you could make $10,000 per month on autopilot using this proven system. Here is the big question. Do you think you can give away this scorching hot system that you've already proven to work 20 times a day for free? Our Facebook group has top earners who do that many in less than an hour. See, if you give away 20 trials every day for a week, you'll have given away 140 trial memberships after your first week. After 7 days, people upgrade for $50. And why wouldn't they? That's $1.61 a day, less than a bottle of Diet Coke at the gas station. And they're already making way more than that using the TCP system. They have to upgrade their account because during their first week, they gave away a ton of free trials, and they need to keep their account in order to collect their commissions, which already far exceed the measly cost of $50. It's the fear of missing out that keeps people upgrading. But wait a minute, commissions? Yes. For every trial customer you refer who upgrades, we pay you $25 for every month that they remain a member. Let's say 90 people out of 140 decided not to upgrade. Realistic numbers. That would mean as many as 50 people did upgrade, and your commission would be $25 times 50, which is $1,250 for the week. If you multiply that by 4 weeks, you could be making $5,000 a month, every month, as long as those members continue paying for their membership. So here's how you could make $10,000 a month on autopilot. Are you ready? If you work for just 2 months and maintain that pace of 20 free trials a day, and let's say 50 people sign up per week, then by the end of the second month, you could be making $10,000 a month. And the system works like clockwork. We even have top earners who will take you under their wing and show you exactly how to do it. All you have to do is go to our Facebook group and learn from our expert members and top earners who can teach you exactly how they give away 10, 20, and even over 30 free memberships each and every hour of the day. That means that they are making more in one 8-hour day than most people make in an entire week. And with residual income, their numbers truly become massive snowballs of cash. Simply go over to the Facebook group right now, introduce yourself, and get started working the system that works so you can get paid.
Okay, so I like the idea when I got started with this that it was only $1.61 a day, guys, okay, to get started. And then the company is a partner, okay, with you. They're splitting the $50 a month membership, okay, they're splitting the commissions. It's $50 a month, but when folks upgrade under your link, you get paid $25 and the company gets $25. So we in a partnership, okay? It keeps the comp plan very simple. And then they pay out every Friday and they pay every month. As long as your member maintains their membership, you're going to get paid month after month after month. $25 over and over and over. Okay? Then what's so great about this? If you're new, it's perfect because it's non-techy, okay? And they give you all the sales funnels for the affiliate side. So you don't have to create capture pages, any of that stuff. The affiliate sales funnels are already created for you. The autoresponder is already created for you. Okay, they have banners you can use. They've already created that for you guys. It's a done-for-you funnel system, marketing system. All right, So it makes it simple and easy for the average person, okay, to get started. And it's affordable, okay? And it's something everybody needs. If you're a marketer out here, it doesn't matter what you're promoting, you need a marketing system, period. Even if you have a brick and mortar, doesn't matter whether you're an online marketer or you have an actual brick and mortar, okay? You need a marketing system that's going to keep up with your leads, okay? And a autoresponder that's going to follow up with your leads, okay? You need a whole turnkey system. So this is what the Conversion Pros provides. For 7 years, they've been doing this. Now, I've never used this as a primary business. It was always me just promoting my other opportunities using the funnels, okay? The marketing system itself. I was using the marketing system to promote my other business opportunities. I was creating capture pages of my own, all right? And that's when folks signed up with me. And that's what continues to happen. People sign up. And I indirectly, in turn, just started making commissions. Okay, in this program, I have earned 10K. Okay, but again, it wasn't primary. So just imagine if you just focused on this as a primary. You're just getting started. And you say, hey, you know what? I'm just going to focus on this program as my main business opportunity and push this system. Okay, what could happen? Okay, the sky's the limit. All right, so let's go check it out. I'm going to log in so you can kind of see where everything is from affiliate perspective. All right, so let's go take a look at this. Okay, when you log in, you click on Marketing Suite. You're going to click on Affiliate. Click on Affiliate. Okay, and you see right here all the replicated websites. They're already done for you, the sales funnels. This is the one I typically use. That's just what I like. And it depends on what I'm marketing. Like if I run some traffic, I may use one of these other ones. Okay, but this is the main one that I use. But as you can see here, there's 10 different funnels already done for you. All you have to do is share these. Now, what's also great about this is the Conversion Pros gives you a 14-day free trial. You can test this system out without paying a dime. Okay, so they give you 14 days to test drive it completely. There's not just, some systems only give you access to certain things when you're a trial member, but TCP gives you full access as if you're a paid member. Okay, so this way you can really test it out and see if, is this something I'm really interested in before you even make a payment, guys. All right, now if you decide to upgrade and then you start sharing your websites, these links, your affiliate pages here, and someone pays the $50, you're going to earn $25 the next Friday. Okay, then when they pay the next month, you're going to earn $25 again. Okay, so you go here, you go to affiliates, and you will see all these websites here. Now you may also say, well, how can I promote this? Okay, let me show you some tools that they've given. All right, let's check this out. Okay, when you go here, you click affiliates, and then right here, guys, they have affiliate banners. Okay, so let's click this one. And look at all the different images that they have that you can post on social media, classified ads, what have you. Okay, so you can post these, and they have banners. Okay, so on classified ads, there are some classified ads that ask you for your banner link. You can post these, and these are coded, will be coded to you. Okay, once you right click them, save them to your computer, and then you'll tie your link into them. Okay, so we've got banners and images you can use. All right, then we also have, check this out. Okay, and all this is free for you to access, guys. Okay, for 14 days. You also have access to order leads. These are people that's interested in making money online. So you go in your back office here and you click order leads, right? When you click order leads, you're going to see several different types. Okay, so I would choose TCP because you're going to be promoting TCP. But right here What type of leads? Generic business opportunity, male and female leads, or if you want just female only leads. They have live interview leads. They have live interview travel leads. Then they have male only business opportunity leads. Okay. So everything you need is right here. You have access to. Or if you just want to order traffic, you may just say, hey, you know what? I'm just going to use one of my affiliate pages that's coded to me, and I want you guys just to send traffic to my page. Guess what? They have that right here. All you would do is copy your URL and paste it right here under redirect URL, right? And you can buy 100 biz ops for $80. You can buy 250 for $195, and they go up from there. Okay, it's up to you, okay, which way you want to go. But you have access to all this as a free member. Okay. Now, every week they will notify you if you have commissions coming. Okay. And if you take a look here, I've got at least 50 pages. Now, I had more than this, but I changed my email address. Just with this email right here, I've got 50 pages of notifications from TCP, the conversion pros, of me getting paid. See right here, congratulations. These are email notifications on every Friday that you have commissions coming your way. Okay. Now, as I stated before, this has never been my primary biz op, but I managed to earn still over 10K with just promoting this indirectly without really promoting it. Okay. So just imagine what you guys could do if you focused on this. Okay, so this definitely works, guys. Now, this is the page that I primarily use when I'm promoting to other affiliate marketers or internet marketers or network marketers. This page right here, because it states to become an affiliate marketer. It kind of explains it where it will make sense to you. Use the highest converting funnel in the industry that can make you huge residual income every single month that gets sent right to your bank account. By the way, when they pay you, you can order one of their debit cards, or you can have your commission sent directly to you. Okay, pay out every Friday. Okay, and this is the page right here, and then it has these testimonies on it, so it converts on its own. Okay, no cost to join, access to hot leads, weekly pay, market any product. Okay, you can market any product with this. All right, and it has a app that you can download for a Droid or an iPhone. That's the other thing that I love about it. Okay, so the app is free. All right, so a great system. This page right here is a capture page. Like I said, it's a funnel. This is what they created. I didn't have to create this. And when folks sign up, they go here. And the conversion pros will follow up with the autoresponder. I didn't have to create that either, because this is the done for you funnel. Unlimited autoresponder. All right, guys. So if you're ready to start earning these $25 commissions, unlimited and monthly residually, okay, the link is in the description. Go check it out. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to me. But remember, as a free member, you don't earn on the free membership. Okay, only when you upgrade and pay the $50 will you earn. You don't earn on the free membership. Okay, so when you upgrade, pay your $50 and you share your affiliate link with others, and then when they pay their $50, you will earn $25. Okay, that's how that works. All right, guys, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, go here, enter your information, watch these videos. It does a great job explaining this. Read over the website, jot down your questions if you have any. Enter your info here accurately if you're serious about getting started. Because if you want my share codes for my other pages that I have, I need to have accurate information, because I will be going into my back office to confirm who you say you are, if you've paid or not. Only the paid members are going to get the my share codes, because let me show you that real quick too. I created a page, a Friyay page, is what I like to call it, Double Up Friday. So let me show you that real quick before I let you go. Hang on. Now this is a custom page. In order to get this, you have to get my share code. So that's why I say make sure you enter accurate information. So you'll get this page right here, start 100% free, paid every Friday system. All right, guys? All right. Reach out to me after you've made that $50 payment. I'll check it and I'll send you my share codes if you want to use that system that I created. All right, guys? Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It's right in the video right there. You will see it at the bottom, the red button there. Smash it. Okay? Subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there.